What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to say a very happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there watching. Hopefully you guys are having a great time with friends, family, loved ones, however you celebrate. Hopefully you guys are having a good time. But today I want to make a little bit different video, and it's going to be gift ideas for the Gearheads. So these are items that I use pretty regularly. So it's not going to be like an unboxing and me never have trying these products. These are actually, in fact, half of these gifts are going to be gifts that I received and that I use, like I said, pretty regularly. So I'm going to list them from high to low so you guys get, you know, if you don't want to spend a ton of money or if you want to spend a little bit more, I'm going to show you guys kind of what I think are good gifts. So let's get started with the first one. So for the first one and the most expensive one, it is the race ramps. So you guys have seen me use these on my lift. I actually bought these before I even had my lift. I used them to get my car on the trailer. So these are actually designed for the trailer application, and there's several different options and variants of the race ramp itself, but they are super light, easy to carry around, and if you guys have watched any of my videos, you have seen me use them to do oil changes. So if a car is super low, you need to get it off the ground a little further so you can get the jack underneath it. This is a great product. Like I said, super light, easy to load, unload, move around, hang somewhere, get them completely out of the way. So that is the first one. All of these items, guys, I will be listing in the description down below. So check out the description and I'll have links to where you can purchase this stuff. So for the second one, guys, it is my rolling chair here. Now, I have used this for just about everything. So for paint correction, cleaning wheels, basically anytime I want to get low to the ground, but I don't want to be like setting or squatting down, hurting my knees, this chair is great. And it is not some cheap piece of junk like that you get at Walmart where the wheel catches or the wheel falls off. I've had those in the past. This thing is well made. It has back support. Super good size wheel so it'll roll over like extension cords and other things that might get in the way. And my wife actually got this for me for Christmas a couple years ago. Used it ever since. So that is number two. Alright guys, so for the third one, it is the bone creeper. So I've had cheap creepers in the past. Ones that you know what the ones I'm talking about, the cheap ones that people get you for gifts, the like kind of like the chair, the wheel falls off, or you just have issues with just cheap quality. This thing is great. So pretty low profile, super comfortable to set on, and that's why it's number three. Number four on the list, guys, is a GoPro Session. Now, this is not the newest version, not the newest variant, but super small, super compact. I've used it in several of my videos that I make to suction cup to the car. The good thing about like the Session is it's such a low price point that if it flies off the car, gets beat up, you're not super sick about it. So I'm sure that people out there spend a lot of money on GoPros, and maybe it doesn't matter to them to lose a $400 GoPro, but to me, that would make me kind of sick if I lost a $400 GoPro because I stuck it on the side of my car and it flew off. So the Session, the original Session, is a great price point. Great item for any hot rodder or people that want to make some quick videos, and you can use it for everything. So from cars to personal stuff. I've used it in water. It is waterproof. So that is number four on the list. So for number five on my list, it is the C-Tech battery charger or battery maintainer. So if you have as many cars as I do, which is kind of an issue, maybe you should sell some. Anyway, if you do, you're going to need some way to maintain the batteries. Now, I have used other products, so I've used battery tender in the past, and I wasn't super happy with it. They've since changed it a little bit, but the C-Tech is a completely sealed unit. It's super well made. I use it on my Corvette, the CTSV, the Trans Am, my old Slam 52. I use it on everything I have. So it is a great item to have for any hot rodder, especially during the winter time when you're not driving the cars as much. Keeps that battery maintained. That way you're not replacing batteries all the time. So that is why it is number five. So for number 6 and the cheapest price point on the list, it is car shampoo. Now you can get car shampoo just about anywhere. You can get it at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart, Walgreens even has it, I think. The downside to cheaper shampoos is they either strip wax off or they don't do a good job maintaining the wax or sealant that you have on the car. The other thing is I live in an area where I am on well water, so the water is super hard water, a lot of mineral deposits. The shampoo that I use on my car is Glassworks. It is made by Chemical Guys. Super great shampoo. It is pH neutral, so you're not going to get that dried on film that you might get with some of your cheaper shampoos. So very easy to use, smells super great. It's actually one of the best smelling shampoos that I've ever used, and it seems to keep that gloss on that you guys see on all my cars. So use this on everything that I absolutely care about, that I've taken time to paint correct and want to keep that good shiny coat and keep the wax in place. So that is why this one is number 6. Well guys, that wraps it up. That is 6 gift ideas that any gearhead would enjoy. And hit the comments down below. I'd like to hear from you guys. What is your favorite gift idea? What is something you've received in the past that you absolutely love, don't think you could do without? I wanted to name stuff that was non-vehicle specific because not everybody has a Trans Am, a Corvette, a lowered truck. Everybody's got different stuff. So I wanted to name stuff that you could use on any vehicle, any platform. And well, I will list down in the descriptions all the stuff in this video. And like I said, I went from high to low. So if you're looking to spend maybe a little more money or down to the bottom, I've got you covered. So everything in this video is an affordable price point. Like I said, some higher, some lower. But if you like this video, guys, please smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, please go down there and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you're notified every time we drop a new video. And well, stay tuned to see what we do next.